There's one. Look at him. That's why I come fish for these smallmouth, man. They're crazy. Look at him. I mean, absolutely crazy, dude. Fish. Fish. Hit it on the paws, man. Please be hooked good. Coming straight towards me. He's only got one treb in him. Ain't nothing I can do. First fish of the day. I don't know how good he is. He's literally got one in him. Just one. Hooked underneath. A lot of times that'll happen with the jerkbait. You want to keep hemostats with you. Oh, you're gonna get hooked worse, dude. Relax. Chunky fish start the day, boys. Look at that. Chunky fish start the day. This is why you have got to carry the hemostats with you. Especially if you're jerkbait fishing, baby. Look at that, the hemostats, and he don't even have a mark on him, and that was up in his gill. Good fish start the day, boys. The jerkbait, it's overcast, cloudy. Water's got a little bit of murk to it, using the Mega Bass Vision 110 in the Edo color. Look at that. First fish of the day, nice little fish. They get fired up over that jerkbait, man. See you later, dude. That's why you have got to carry the hemostats or pliers with you when you jerkbait fish. He hit it on the paws, baby. He hit it on the paws of Rooney. There's one. Look at him. That's why I come fish for these smallmouth, man. They're crazy. Look at him. I mean, absolutely crazy, dude. All of them fight like this, dude. Big, small, it doesn't matter. They just freaking go crazy. Look at that. Let me get him landed here. Relax, dude. Get you. Oh, he's a little chunky guy. Relax, dude. Oh. Fish number 2 of the day, ladies and gentlemen. I got some guys here hanging out with me. What's your guys' names? Oh, as I fall down.
Sean.
Sean?
I'm Ash.
Sean and Ash, pleasure to meet you guys. Check them out. And they're beautiful fish too, man. Wow. And they all have this nice belly on them. Yes, smallmouth are absolutely beautiful fish, dude. Absolutely gorgeous, man. Look at that. And you saw he came up out the water and jumped. Dude, they're a lot of fun to catch, man. And I always give him a kiss. Send them home. Look at that chunky second one of the day, guys, on the Mega Bass Vision 110. Oh. Wow. Look at that. You saw him come up out the water, right?
Yeah.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, there's a heck of a storm rolling in. We getting the heck out of here. I'm Tyler, All My Larry Fishing, Bass Slingers Pro Staff. We're in Canonsburg, Pennsylvania, using a Mega Bass Vision 110. It's overcast, cloudy. Water has a little bit of murk to it. I was basically just double, triple popping it, letting it pause for a second, double, triple pop again. And bam, we got a couple smallmouth on. I'm getting the heck out of here. Sorry for the short outro, but I'm about to get poured on. So thank you guys for watching. Mega Bass Vision 110, probably the best jerk bait on the market. Grab you some up. Tyler, All My Larry Fishing, Bass Slingers Pro Staff, baby.